Ever dreamed of ditching the bulky cash register and running your business from your smartphone? Well, good news. The age of the mobile point-of-sale, POS, system is here, and it's changing the game for entrepreneurs everywhere. But with so many options on the market, is Shopify POS the right fit for you? And can you really turn your phone into a powerful sales tool? Let's dive in and find out. The rise of the mobile POS. Remember those clunky cash registers of the past? They took up space, required technical knowledge, and frankly, weren't exactly user-friendly. Fast forward to today, and technology has shrunk that entire system down to something that fits comfortably in your pocket, your smartphone. Mobile POS systems are revolutionizing the way businesses operate, especially for those on the go or with limited physical space. Imagine running a pop-up shop, managing a farmer's market stall, or even taking payments for your dog walking service, all with just your phone. Shopify POS, your pocket-sized sales partner. Now, let's talk about Shopify POS, a popular mobile POS solution specifically designed for Shopify users. If you've already built your online store with Shopify, then Shopify POS seamlessly integrates with your existing platform, making it a breeze to manage your inventory, sales data, and customer information, all from one place. But the real question is, can you actually use your phone with Shopify POS? The good news, it's all about compatibility. The answer is a resounding yes. Shopify POS is compatible with both Android and iOS devices, giving you the flexibility to use the smartphone you already own. This is a major advantage compared to some POS systems that require specific hardware purchases. Download the app and get selling. Setting up Shopify POS is as easy as downloading the app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you're logged in, you can connect your phone to compatible hardware like a card reader or receipt printer, although these are optional for basic transactions. Here's a sneak peek at what you can do with Shopify POS on your phone. Process payments. Take debit, credit, and even contactless payments with ease. Manage inventory. Keep track of your stock levels in real time, no matter where you are. Add products quickly. Scan barcodes or use the built-in product search to ring up sales in seconds. View customer information. Access customer purchase history and offer a more personalized shopping experience. Track sales data. Get insightful reports on your sales performance, helping you make informed business decisions. Beyond the basics, unleashing the power of Shopify POS. While the core functionalities are impressive, Shopify POS offers even more features to streamline your business. Offline mode. Don't worry about spotty internet connections. Shopify POS allows you to accept cash payments even when offline, with all transactions syncing up automatically once you're back online. Staff management. Add and manage staff profiles, set permissions, and track individual sales performance. Discounts and promotions. Create and apply discounts on the fly to boost sales or reward loyal customers. Order management. View and manage online orders alongside in-person sales, giving you a holistic view of your business. Is Shopify POS right for you? Whether Shopify POS is the perfect fit for you depends on your specific needs. Here's a breakdown to help you decide. Ideal for small businesses, entrepreneurs on the go, pop-up shops, market vendors, and businesses with limited physical space. Maybe not ideal for large retail stores with high transaction volume or businesses requiring highly specialized features. Shopify POS empowers you to take your business anywhere, transforming your smartphone into a powerful sales tool. With its user-friendly interface, seamless integration with Shopify, and a range of features designed for mobile commerce, Shopify POS is a compelling option for businesses looking to embrace the future of retail. So, ditch the bulky register and unlock the potential of mobile POS with Shopify. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.